Top 5 refrigerators, freezers and accessories AI-powered products on Temu, bestsellers and hidden gems. Want to upgrade your life with smart tech at unbeatable prices? Temu's AI-powered gadgets are selling like crazy. And today, I'll reveal the top 5 picks you need to see. Stick around till the end for the number 1 game changer. Number 5, iPower Mini Fridge, budget pick. This tiny iPower mini fridge is perfect for skincare or soda cans in your dorm. But with just 1 gallon capacity, it's more of a mini cooler than a real fridge. Great for makeup, not for parties. Price, under $25. Number 4. ADVYEN Portable Fridge Upgraded Pick. Need more space? The ADVYEN Mini Fridge holds 5.8 gallons, has a glass door, and works in your car. Reviewers love it for road trips, but a few say the motor's a bit noisy. Still, a solid deal at $50. Three, Fast Ice Maker, party favorite. Hosting a BBQ? This ice maker pumps out 26.5 pounds of ice daily. Pros, super fast. Cons, ice melts quickly in heat, perfect for indoor use. Trend alert, number 1 bestseller in home essentials. Number 2, Nugget Ice Maker, Crushed Ice King.
Crushed ice lovers, this is your dream machine. The Nugget Ice Maker makes 34 pounds per day of soft, chewable Pebble ice, just like Sonic or Chick-fil-A. Self-cleaning plus one-touch operation, worth every penny.
And number 1 is WANAI Deep Freezer, best overall.
With 3.5 cubic feet, adjustable temps, and a removable basket, it's perfect for meat, veggies, or meal prep. Thousands of 5-star reviews. Don't miss Temu's limited time discount.
Want these deals? Click the links below. Smash that like button, subscribe, and comment AI to get my free Temu profit guide. See you in the next video.